What's up guys, Chuck Palmer here. In this video, I will be installing new high beam bulbs which are also daylight running light in this 2007 Honda Civic. If you still have old halogen bulbs in your vehicle, it's time to upgrade to LEDs. This is a OXILAM brand and the LED type is HB3 or 9005, which works in many different vehicles. This is how the light look in the day in the daylight running mode. And this is how it look in the high beam mode. This is the daylight running mode at night. And this is the high beam mode at night. It is very bright, plus white looking LED light just look better on vehicles. Just my opinion. This is how the high beams look at night. Very clear on this older 2007 Honda Civic. Imagine this on newer LED housing. Let's go to the unboxing and installation of these OXILAM LED bulbs. Note that these are HB3 or 9005 bulb types, which work in many different types of motor vehicles, and the installation process will be different for different vehicles. Inside the box are protective gloves for installation, and this is smart because you should never touch the LED bulbs themselves. The oils from your hand will damage a bulb and they may burn out. This is the installation manual and of course the LED bulbs themselves. The build of these look very durable, so I'm looking forward to see how long these will last. To install on the driver's side, I will need to remove the coolant overflow bottle on this particular vehicle. The passenger side bulb is easy to access because nothing is in the way. To remove the bottle, I will need to pull it out. The bottle is out of the way, so now I can remove the bulb by turning anti-clockwise. Now I can disconnect the electrical connector. To install the new OXILAM LED bulbs, I will first connect the electrical connector. Now I will insert the new bulb with the electrical connector side at the 4 o'clock position, then lock in place at the 6 o'clock position. That's it for the driver side. Let's go to the passenger side. You can see that there is nothing in the way blocking the bulb on the passenger side. For the passenger side, the process is similar. Disconnect the electrical connector and turn anti-clockwise to remove the bulb. Insert the new bulb in the 4 o'clock position and lock in place at the 6 o'clock position. Now connect the electrical connector. Both OXILAM LED bulbs are installed. Now let's test them out. You can see the daylight running lights are working. They are flashing in the camera, but they are not flashing in person. They seem to flash in the camera because they are running at low power. Now they are in high beam mode. You can see how bright they are compared to the low beam. Take a look at them at night. Very clear, and I recommend these. You can find a link for these LEDs in the description below. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. But before you go, please share with someone and give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. See you on the next one, guys.